Meet Max. Max is a meathead.
Garbage, bro.
A meathead is a total idiot who will put absolutely anything into their body.
Not true, bro. I haven't drank water in like 2 years.
They'll take any pre-workout supplement as long as it promises to get them huge, jacked, ripped, shredded, even if it removes any future ability to have to please a woman.
Wait, what?
At Transparent Labs, we created a pre-workout formula that can effectively please any woman or man. We play on both sides of the gym, so get yours today by clicking below. I'm here to educate meatheads all over the world. Unfortunately, they typically only listen to bro science and fancy product displays at supplement stores.
Yeah, Tiger Nuts, drink deep.
Listen, supplements are important, but what's inside them is important too. Almost as important as not skipping leg day.
Oh, they're going out.
Whoa. You okay?
Yep, happens all the time.
I bet it does. The leading brands of pre-workouts skimp out on the most important ingredients to reduce cost. It's called underdosing. And it began in 1910, when the heads of the 6 largest and most powerful supplement companies met in secret in the dead of night on an island called Jekyll. There, they colluded to put only trace amounts of nutrients into their products so they can list it on the packaging, even though the amounts were so small, they were basically useless. These were the beginnings of the supplement Illuminati. Wow. Those were alternative facts, but now that I have your attention, allow me to illustrate just how much better Transparent Labs pre-workout is using these big-ass blenders. Comparing our product to theirs is like comparing oranges being carried in by underdeveloped teenage boys in wrestling singlets to oranges being carried in by a hot chick being carried in by Zeus himself. So, let's say that each one of these oranges represents 100 milligrams of every active ingredient. And we'll take the nitric oxide booster citrulline malate. According to actual scientific studies, a full effective dose is 60 oranges. Now, Hot Chick has 60 oranges. How many of you boys have up there?
1 to 1,000.
He's lying. All right, dump them in. I wasn't looking, but that sounds like a lot more over there. Next up is beta-alanine, which helps fight muscle fatigue. The leading brand puts in 1,600 milligrams. At Transparent Labs, we put in 4,000. Simple math tells us that's a whole lot more OJ. Betaine anhydrous helps promote muscle growth. At Transparent Labs, we put in 2,500 milligrams. The leading brand, only 1,500. So, if you want to promote muscle growth, the right pre-workout is that way. Transparent Labs pre-workout also has the perfect 2-to-1 ratio of L-theanine, which reduces caffeine jitters, gives you increased focus, and gives you a smoother energy boost. The bad guys have little to none. What they do have is a lot of corn syrup and artificial sweeteners, otherwise known as garbage. So, if you actually care about what you're putting into your body, grab some Transparent Labs by clicking down below right now. Our pre-workout has the proper dose of all the nutrients you need so that it's actually effective, instead of something like,
Grow! Grow! Come on! Do it already! Grow!
underdosing leads to our competitors packing their products full of artificial sweeteners and food coloring. We don't use any of that, and we provide you with almost double of everything. That all started with our foreign exchange intern, Juan.
We need to find the proper dose.
Dose?
Yes, dose.
Dose?
1 dose.
Juan dos.
Just 1.
Yes, I'm Juan.
Great job.
So, when you don't provide enough active ingredients, you end up compensating. Size matters.
Nice scoop.
Thanks. Transparent Labs Scoop is bigger because we have to provide the full effective dose of all the active ingredients. The leading brand just says it's a proprietary blend. That just means they don't have to tell you what's in it. They end up just putting tons of caffeine in there so that you can feel jittery. The equivalent of 5 energy drinks. That's a hell of a lot of caffeine. But you don't have to take my word for it. Here to lay down the truth on our science-backed effective dosage is Dr. Jake Emmett, who got his PhD at Penn State and is a current professor at Eastern Illinois University. We made him hold a parrot so you pay more attention during the science stuff. Take it away, Teach.
Is this really necessary?
Yes!
Hi, I'm Dr. Jake Emmett. I can confidently say that Transparent Labs products are all based on sound scientific research, not old myths or trendy fads.
Wow!
Why am I holding this parrot?
I'm an eagle!
I think I'm done here. Is there anything else you do?
No!
We have a study for each of our nutrients, so if you believe in science, click the link. Fire 'em up! At Transparent Labs, we strive to live up to our name. While other companies are pouring money into magazine ads, product placements, and fake celebrity endorsements, we put everything back into our product. That's because we believe in it. It's an awesome product, and we list everything on the back.
feel like I learned a lot today.
You have to take my word for it. Check out these real customer reviews. Pierre D says, love the fact that they list each ingredient and have no blends. Full-blown disclosure, I'll be buying this and other Transparent Labs products again. You can always trust a Pierre. You okay, buddy?
Yeah. What is this thing?
Now from Austin T. No other pre-workout lists all the ingredients on the back. Instead, they just give you some fancy name that sounds badass for marketing purposes. Shots fired, Austin T. So look, be careful about what you put into your body. We don't want to see anybody get hurt.
This, bro, help!
Don't be a meathead. Go pick up some Transparent Labs pre-workout today. Click it, and I'll stop the bird from killing Max.
Not the eyes, not the eyes, not the eyes.
He's depending on you, people. Click the link, buy the product, and I'll save Max.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm gonna level with you. If you click it and buy the pre-workout, it's gonna take you away from this page, which means that bird will stop attacking him. It's about to hit his aorta. Please do it quickly. Okay, there's about to be a lot of blood. Click the link, buy the pre-workout, or the bird's gonna kill him. Honestly. What are you, savages? Click the link!